He named no one, but his message was loud and clear. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, at a public event in Delhi, urged people to keep the country safe from communal forces, even during the elections. But who was the Prime Minister referring to? Here's a report.
The situation in Kishtwar might slowly be limping back to normalcy 13 days later, but the communal clashes are still fresh in the memory of the ruling class.
कुछ दिन पहले हमारे देश में जो सांप्रदायिक हिंसा हुई, उससे हमें ये सबक लेना चाहिए कि सांप्रदायिक ताकतों को रोकने के प्रयासों में कभी भी कोई ढील नहीं आनी चाहिए.
Highlighting the need to counter communal forces, the Prime Minister urged the people of India to consider the secular credentials of their representatives while casting their ballots.
हमें ऐसी ताकतों का हर वक्त और हर स्तर पर विरोध करना है, चाहे वो रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी हो या चुनाव.
But the Prime Minister's comment hasn't gone down too well with the opposition camp.
It's a paradoxical statement, because the most communal party in whose regime most riots in this country have happened to be the Congress party, and he happens not only to be the Prime Minister of the country, but heading a government which is run by the Congress party.
Congress has called the BJP's poster boy a divisive figure on several occasions. But now, even the Prime Minister seems to be making a veiled attack at the BJP's new poll panel chief. Clearly, with the big elections right around the corner, every party is keen to set an agenda. Bureau Report, Times Now.